In the vast expanse of space, something extraordinary occurred. An object from another star system paid a visit to our own. Discovered on October 19, 2017, by the Pan-STARRS, one telescope in Hawaii, this celestial interloper was dubbed Oumuamua. The name fittingly is a Hawaiian term meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. Its arrival sent ripples of excitement and curiosity throughout the scientific community. Here was tangible evidence that our solar system was not a closed system. We were part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood. Oumuamua's arrival was a watershed moment. It marked the first time we had ever observed an interstellar object passing through our solar system. The discovery opened up a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. It hinted at the possibility of countless other such objects hurtling through the cosmos. Oumuamua was a fleeting visitor. It zoomed past the sun at an incredible speed. Then it began its journey back into the interstellar void, but not before captivating our imagination. Oumuamua's fleeting visit was a stark reminder of the vastness of the universe. It underscored our relative insignificance in the grand scheme of things. Yet it also filled us with a sense of wonder. We were not alone. Out there, somewhere, were other star systems. Perhaps even other planets like our own. The discovery fueled our desire to learn more. We wanted to know where Oumuamua came from. What was it made of? And could it provide clues about the formation of other planetary systems? Oumuamua was unlike anything we had ever seen before. It wasn't a comet, it wasn't an asteroid. Its bizarre characteristics set it apart. Astronomers, using powerful telescopes, scrambled to observe it. They wanted to unravel its secrets before it disappeared from view. What they found only deepened the mystery. Oumuamua was an enigma wrapped in cosmic dust. The first thing that struck astronomers was its peculiar shape. Oumuamua was highly elongated. It resembled a giant cosmic cigar. Observations suggested that it was at least 10 times longer than it was wide. Some estimates put its length at over 400 meters. Its surface was reddish in color. This suggested that it had been exposed to interstellar radiation for a very long time. The object's strange shape sparked a flurry of speculation. Was it a naturally occurring phenomenon, or could it be something else entirely? Some scientists proposed that Oumuamua was a fragment of a larger object. Perhaps it was a piece of a planet ripped apart by the gravitational pull of a nearby star. Others suggested that it was a planetesimal. This is a building block of planets, left over from the early days of the solar system. Another peculiarity of Oumuamua was its lack of a cometary tail. Comets, as they approach the sun, heat up. This causes them to release gas and dust. This creates a visible tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Oumuamua, however, showed no signs of outgassing. This was unusual for an object on such a close approach to the sun. The absence of a tail puzzled astronomers. If Oumuamua wasn't a comet, then what was it? Some speculated that it might be an asteroid. Asteroids are rocky bodies that, unlike comets, are not thought to contain significant amounts of ice. However, this theory had its own problems. Oumuamua's trajectory and speed couldn't be fully explained by gravitational forces alone. Could there be another explanation? Some scientists began to explore more radical ideas. Could Oumuamua be an artificial object? Perhaps a derelict spacecraft from an alien civilization? While this hypothesis was intriguing, it lacked concrete evidence. Nevertheless, the possibility, however remote, was enough to capture the public's imagination. Adding to the mystery was Oumuamua's unusual speed. It was traveling much faster than any object native to our solar system. This suggested that it had originated from outside of our solar system. But where exactly? And how did it attain such a high velocity? Scientists traced Oumuamua's trajectory back in time. They tried to determine its point of origin. Their calculations suggested that it came from the direction of the constellation Lyra. This is home to the star Vega. However, Vega was not in that part of the sky when Oumuamua would have passed through it. This meant that Oumuamua had been traveling through interstellar space for hundreds of thousands, if not millions of years. The object's high speed and unusual trajectory presented a challenge to our understanding of celestial mechanics. How could an object achieve such a velocity without the gravitational assist of a nearby star? Some scientists proposed that Oumuamua had been ejected from its home system by a close encounter with a giant planet. Others suggested that it might have been propelled by a yet unknown mechanism. Theories about Oumuamua's origins abounded, each more intriguing than the last. One school of thought proposed that Oumuamua was a fragment of a larger body torn apart by tidal forces. This could have happened during a close encounter with a star or a black hole. The immense gravitational forces involved could have stretched and elongated the object, giving it its characteristic cigar shape. This theory was supported by Oumuamua's unusual rotation. The object was tumbling end over end, which suggested that it had experienced a violent event in its past. Furthermore, its composition, which appeared to be rich in metals and organic molecules, hinted at a formation process different from that of typical asteroids or comets. The idea of Oumuamua being a survivor of a cosmic cataclysm was both fascinating and terrifying. It painted a picture of the universe as a dynamic and often destructive place. It also raised the question of whether such events were common. Could our own solar system have experienced similar upheavals in its distant past? While natural explanations for Oumuamua's peculiarities were abundant, some scientists entertained a more radical possibility. Could Oumuamua be an artifact of an extraterrestrial civilization? This hypothesis, while speculative, was not entirely without merit. Oumuamua's unusual shape, lack of outgassing, and unexpected acceleration could potentially be explained as signs of artificiality. Some scientists proposed that Oumuamua might be a light sail, a type of spacecraft propelled by the pressure of sunlight. Its elongated shape would have maximized its surface area, allowing it to capture more sunlight and accelerate. Others suggested that it could be a fragment of a larger spacecraft, perhaps damaged or malfunctioning, which could explain its erratic rotation and trajectory. The possibility of Oumuamua being an alien artifact, however remote, ignited the public's imagination. It fueled dreams of contact with extraterrestrial intelligence. While the scientific community remained cautious, the hypothesis served as a reminder that our understanding of the universe is still evolving. We should be prepared for the unexpected. The discovery of Oumuamua had profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. It confirmed that interstellar travel is possible. This means that other star systems could be harboring life, perhaps even intelligent life. The fact that Oumuamua reached our solar system suggested that such interstellar voyages might not be uncommon. The vastness of the universe makes it statistically improbable that we are alone. There are billions of stars in our galaxy, many of which are likely to have planets. Some of these planets are likely to be habitable, and on some of these habitable planets, life may have arisen, perhaps even evolved into advanced civilizations. Oumuamua's visit was a reminder that we are part of a much larger cosmic story. It hinted at the possibility of a universe teeming with life. A universe where interstellar travel is not the stuff of science fiction, but a reality. This realization filled us with a sense of awe and wonder. It also fueled our desire to explore the cosmos and search for signs of life beyond Earth. Oumuamua's visit was a wake-up call. It shattered our perception of the solar system as an isolated bubble in space. It revealed that we are part of a vast and interconnected cosmic web. Objects from other star systems like Oumuamua are constantly passing through our neighborhood. This means that our solar system is not unique. It is just one of countless planetary systems scattered throughout the universe. The discovery of Oumuamua also highlighted the importance of continued astronomical observation. We need to be prepared to detect and study these interstellar visitors. They hold valuable clues about the formation and evolution of other planetary systems. By studying these objects, we can learn more about the history of our own solar system. We can also gain a better understanding of the conditions necessary for life to arise. Oumuamua may have been a fleeting visitor, but its impact on our understanding of the universe was profound. It expanded our cosmic perspective. It reminded us that there is still much to learn about the universe we live in. The mystery of Oumuamua continues to fascinate and intrigue us. While we may never know for certain its true nature or origin, its discovery has ignited a passion for exploration. It has spurred the development of new technologies and telescopes. These will allow us to detect and study other interstellar objects that may venture into our solar system. Several ambitious projects are underway. They aim to detect and characterize interstellar objects. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, for example, is expected to discover hundreds of interstellar objects every year. This will provide us with a wealth of data. We will be able to study the diversity and distribution of these objects. The quest to understand Oumuamua is just the beginning. It is a stepping stone to a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. It is a call to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries. The discovery of Oumuamua has opened up a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. It has given us a glimpse of the endless possibilities that await us beyond the confines of our own solar system. As we continue to explore the universe, we are likely to encounter even more strange and wondrous objects. These objects will challenge our preconceived notions and expand our understanding of the universe. The future of space exploration is filled with promise. With advancements in technology, we will be able to send probes to other star systems. We will be able to search for signs of life, and perhaps even make contact with other intelligent beings. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, but with each new discovery, we come one step closer to unraveling its secrets. The journey of exploration is never-ending. Oumuamua has reminded us that the universe is full of surprises. It has ignited our imaginations and inspired us to reach for the stars. The future of space exploration is bright. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the wonder and curiosity that Oumuamua sparked within us. The universe awaits.